Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get a Canva Pro team invite link in 2025 step by step. If you want to join a Canva Pro team without paying the full subscription yourself, this method will help you can connect with others and get access. Let's get started. So first, Canva allow Pro users to add team members so everyone can share premium features. Each Canva Pro subscription comes with a set number of seats. If someone has an extra seat, they can invite you with a special team link. You join the team and instantly get Pro features. Before searching online, check open Canva and log in to your account and go to your account settings. Then click and here you can see this the billing and team. Here you can see this the team, and if someone has already invited you, you will see an accept invite button here. Create a new team. Reach out to friends or colleagues who already use Canva Pro. Many people have extra seats in their plan and can share an invite. You can also ask in trusted Facebook groups, WhatsApp group, or design communities. Search for Canva Pro team invite link on Facebook group related to freelancing or design, Reddit communities like freelancing or graphics design, Telegram, and channels that share tools access. Just be careful and choose trusted source. And once you get a valid invite link, click the link and log into your Canva account or create one and accept the invite and you will instantly get Canva Pro access. Test it by opening Pro templates or image. You should see the Pro lock anymore. And stay safe and avoid scam. Be careful, some links might be fake or ask for personal information. Only join teams from trusted people and never share your payment details with strangers. And that's it. That's how you can get a Canva Pro team invite link in 2025. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this guide helps you, don't forget to subscribe the channels.